we'll label this vector here as simply the velocity of the water relative to the shore, because it's moving relative to the shore. Now this vector here, we're going to label it as velocity of the boat relative to the water. And when you add them together, you get the actual path the boat will take. Now the actual path the boat takes is the velocity of the boat relative to the shore. So S. That's the basic concept of how you would use vector addition to find relative velocity. Now it's not just confined to 2 vectors, you can have as many as you want. Like if you had a fisherman walking on the boat, you could have another vector like this.